welcome back to Angie's Table. So today we're going to be making soju cocktails and we're going to be doing 3 different kinds. First one we're going to be making is the watermelon soju. The second one is Melona Soju, and the third one is one of my favorites. It's the butterfly pea tea leaf soju. So all 3 of these are super pretty and really fun to make when you have guests over, or if you go over to a friend's house and you want to make them a cocktail. This is a super fun idea. So let's go right into it, and I'm going to show you guys which soju we're going to be using today. Today we are going to be using the Chamisei brand soju, and it's one of my favorites. Make sure to shake it up like this because it's been sitting on the grocery shelves for a while now, and you want to make sure all the particles are mixed in there. So we are doing the watermelon soju first, but we're gonna steep the tea leaves in soju because it takes a while for the color to show up. So let's have that in the back while we go ahead and make all the cocktails. Make sure to cut the top off and scrape all the watermelon inside. So watermelon soju, this is something that is, I think, derived from the idea of pache, which is a summer drink that Koreans love to drink. And pache is basically just watermelon, and you put Sprite and ice in there and you just enjoy it in the summertime because it's so refreshing. I think this was like a spin-off on that, and it's really great. This literally screams summer to me because watermelon is a staple fruit of the summer. Put all the scraped watermelon into a blender and put a cup of ice in it, and make sure it's a very cold and slushy consistency. This is just really fun, and the fact that the cocktail glass is literally the watermelon is super fun and cute. And now we're moving on to our Melona. So if you guys haven't checked out our TikTok, make sure to check that out because we do have a video of Melona Soju on TikTok. Melona Soju is also another perfect summer cocktail. This is a super fun way to enjoy dessert and cocktails at the same time. It's just really easy to make this, and it's tasty on top of that. And lastly, we have our butterfly pea tea soju. When I used to watch people on YouTube or on their Instagrams and I see blue color alcohol, I'm like, whoa, how do you get that? Is it food coloring? But it's actually from steeping the butterfly pea tea leaves. Okay. And actually with soju, I like to drink soju with lemon because it prevents all the hangover and headaches you get the next day. And I think it has something to do with the antioxidants. I'm not really sure. I just know people do it, and so I've been doing it, and I've never had a hangover from soju after I started drinking with lemon. So I think that this is the perfect drink. Out of all three of these, this one's my favorite. And try out the drinks, and we'll start with the watermelon. It's strong. Wait, how many shots did we put in this? I forgot. 2?
3.
Oh, 3? It's strong. Actually, it's not that strong. I don't know why I'm overreacting. So if you guys want to know something about me, I have allergies to melon products. So I'm actually allergic to watermelon, but I can just take an allergy pill, I'll be fine. This is really good. I think it's perfect for the summer. You have friends come over, chop open a watermelon, enjoy it. I feel like it'd be really cool. I don't know how sanitary it would be. We just each put a straw in and just like drink out of it. But don't think that's really appropriate at this time. But if you just want to use a ladle and just pour it out into everyone's cups, I think it'd be a super summery and fun drink to try. And next we have Melona. Oh, I have a straw. Oh, wow. This is perfect. I know Costco started selling Melona too. So I think it'll be a little bit easier to purchase instead of like going to a Korean grocery store. But this is super good. It's super sweet and creamy. Very different from the watermelon cocktail. This is good in its own way, but I think so far I like the Melona better. I think it probably just has to do with like the creaminess and the sugariness on it, which is things that I like. If you guys actually haven't checked out our TikTok, we do have a TikTok account and we put a lot of content on there, and they're usually different from the ones that we put up on YouTube. We do completely different content. Next, we are going to try, you guys, this is actually pretty strong. So we're gonna try this one next. This is actually one of my favorites. This tastes just like a cocktail. I don't know if it's because it's in the martini glass. It just tastes like tequila or vodka or any other hard alcohol. And it's really good. It's really pretty. That's the plus on this. Wow, you guys will be having a fun summer night with these. So why should you guys try these recipes out? Because it's a really fun way to dress up soju. And I think in a lot of people's minds, soju is known as like the cheaper version of hard alcohol. It is true. I mean, it is super cheap, but that's also a plus to it, right? Because it's about $3 to $5 per bottle, and any hard alcohol is 20 plus. So if you look at the cost of it, yes, it is more effective. And also, soju is lower cal than any other hard alcohol. Hard alcohol is like 100 plus calories per shot, and soju is 50. Throughout the night, I mean, who ends it with just one cocktail or one shot? You usually do a couple of that. When you add all of that up, it does actually end up being a lot of calories you consume through alcohol. So soju is the way to go. Let us know in the comments below if you guys have tried this out or if you guys are excited to try it out, and we'll see you guys on our next one.